Kanakadasa was also a Haridasa. Once he was not allowed into the Udupi temple as he was of a lower caste. At that time, the temple wall collapsed and he viewed Krishna through a hole. The Kankana Kindi or the small window is still there in Udupi even today, and Bhaktas can view Udupi Krishna through this window. In the 17th century, in a village called Muvapuri in the Krishna district, there lived a young lad called Varadaya. The presiding deity at the village was Venugopala. Once, a yogi, seeing the divinity in Varadaya, gave him mantropadesham with the Gopala Mula mantra. After that, Varadaya sat for long hours and days in meditation at the temple. He started singing padams in chaste Telugu with the Radha and Krishna Sringara theme. It is to be noted that these padams had the sections Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charana and were the precursor of the Kriti format. Mohanangi, a beautiful temple dancer, fell in love with Varadaya and his songs and wanted to dance to them. There was a hue and cry, and Varadaya was driven out of Muvapuri in disgrace, though he was not guilty of anything. He wandered from Kshetra to Kshetra and came to be known as Kshetraya. At last, once when he was in Kanchi, news reached Mohanangi and she went there and brought him back to Muvapuri. After that, they lived happily, and Kshetraya was highly respected for his padams, which were ideal for dance also, and which portrayed the bhakti of the Jivatma for the Paramatma. Tadari na 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 na, tadara na na na, ara na na, ara na na na, tadara na na na. ಗರಿತ ಬಾನಿಗಿನೆ ನೂ ಸತಮ ನನ್ನು ಗತಿಲ್ಚಿ ಪಲುಕನು ಚಿತಯ ಪುರುಷುಡು ಯೂರಲೇನಿ ಬ್ರದುಮಾ ಪಟಿವೇಳ ಪುರುಷುಡು ಯೂರಲೇನಿ ಬ್ರದುಮಾ ಪಟಿವೇಳ ಸುದುಲು ದೇಲಿಜಿ ಮುದು ಪಟಿ ಓಯೇ ಸುದುಲು ದೇಲಿಜಿ ಮುದು ಬಟಿ ಓಯೇ ವಾಡೆವುವಡೆ ಓ ಭಾಮಾಯ ವಾಡೆವುವಡೆ வெண்ண தின்ன சின்ன கனமா ಬ್ರದಲು ಗೋಡಿನ ಗುಣಮ್ಮ ಬೆಣ್ಣ ತಿನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಕನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದಲು ಗೋಡಿನ ಗುಣಮ್ಮ கொன்ன மகனிவளே கொங்கு படீசி கொன்ன மகனிவளே கொங்கு படீசி ரவக பிலஜி ராபூஜேசி ஓயே ரவக பிலஜி ராபூஜேசி ஓயே வாடெவுவடே ஓ ಭಾಮಾಯ ವಾಡೆವುವಡೆ ವಾಡೆವುವಡೆ வெண்ண தின்ன சின்னத்தனம்மா. This line used to be taken by Vidwans of yesteryears and they used to compose a pallavi. வெண்ணை தின்ன சின்னத்தனம்மா வேணுகோபாலா அப்படின்னு அந்த காலத்தில் பல்லவி பாடியிருக்கா பெரியவாள்லாம். The great propagator of Shaivism, Adi Shankara Jagadguru, was born in Kaladi in Kerala to Shiva Guru and Aryamba. His birth was itself a miracle. The couple prayed for many years at the famous Vadakkunatha temple at Trishivaperur or Trishur as it is called, and were then blessed with this extraordinary son who wanted to become a sannyasi, a Turavi at age 6. எந்த அம்மாவுக்கு மனசு வரும் ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தை நான் துறவி ஆயிடுறேன் சன்னியாசி ஆயிடுறேன்னா எந்த அம்மாவுக்கும் மனம் தவிக்கும். His mother was distraught. She refused to give him permission for this. But God was making some miracles. Once, while they were bathing in the Purna river, a crocodile caught hold of little Shankara's leg. Aryamba was a helpless onlooker to this event. At that time, Shankara took Abhat sannyasam, and the crocodile quietly went away in a miraculous fashion. After that, there was no looking back, as Shankara established many mutts and propagated the Advaita philosophy. His poetry is full of esoteric truths and Vedasaram. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate. Samprapte sannihite kale, Samprapte sannihite kale, Nahi nahi rakshati dukri karane, Nahi nahi rakshati dukri karane, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate. Mudajahihi Dhadagama Trishna Guru Sadbuddhim Manasi Vitrishna Mudajahihi Dhadagama Trishna Guru Sadbuddhim Manasi Vitrishna Yalla Base Nija Yalla base nija karmopatam, Yalla base nija karmopatam, Vritam tena vinodaya chittam, Vritam tena vinodaya chittam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate. Punarapi jananam, Punarapi maranam, Punarapi janani Jadare shayanam, Punarapi jananam, Punarapi maranam, Punarapi janani Jadare shayanam, Iha samsare bahudustare, Kripaya pare pahi murare, Kripaya pare pahi murare, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudamate, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. to Sri Narayana Tirtha, one of my favorite poets. He was also known as Tirtha Narayana. He lived in the 17th century and composed the famous Krishna Leela Tarangini opera. These songs are known as Tarangams. Krishna Leela Tarangam. Tarangam, the meaning of Tarangam is waves, the waves of Krishna Leela. He was born near Guntur and migrated to Tamil country. Once, while crossing the flooded river Krishna, as he was in danger, again like Adi Shankara, he took Apat Sannyasam. Every time there is a divine intervention, a divine happening in the lives of these saint poets and composers. And when we read their charitrams, we realize that it is only the divine hand which is guiding them to their true purpose and goal in life. He was initiated into sannyasa by Shivarama Tirtha and became Narayana Tirtha. Once again, I'm reminded of the other composers who were also initiated by their gurus, and sometimes the gurus used to appear suddenly in the guise of old men or sannyasis and give them the guidance. So these things don't happen on their own. There is a divine design in these happenings. Somehow I feel that in this modern age, these miracles are not occurring. Why is it so? This is a point to ponder, I feel. I feel that we have moved very far from nature. Where do we see rivers? The rivers are dry. Where do we get even natural breeze? The rains fail. There is global warming. There is no nature. We are not true to nature, so nature is working against us. And when those people were living true to nature with the ecological balance, many miracles happened, and they were concentrating their lives, their mind was concentrated on either Shivanama or Ramanama. So they could concentrate on God, and thus miracles occurred, and they could give such a proliferation of compositions and music for us. Coming back to Narayana Tirtha, once Narayana Tirtha was suffering from a severe incurable stomachache. He prayed to Lord Venkateshwara for a cure. The Lord appeared in his dream and told him to follow the first object that appeared. The following day, the next morning, when he woke up, a pig appeared, Varaha. He was also completely cured of his ailment. He followed the pig to Varahur or Bhupati Rajapuram, where he settled and lived happily, completing his magnificent opera, which is in very lyric and beautiful Sanskrit, in the Deva Bhasha Sanskrit. Nanda Nandana Gopala Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala He Nanda Nandana Gopala Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala Kandarpa Shatakoti Sundara Sukakara Mandagasa Sri Gopala Kandarpa Shatakoti Sundara Sukakara Mandagasa Sri Gopala He Nanda Nandana Gopala Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala Muralidhara Muni Brinda Vichinticha Mukta Janashaya Gopala He Muralidhara Muni Brinda Vichinticha दासमण्डल नट दास जनाबल वासवादिनुत गोपाल हे नंद नंदन गोपाल जय नवनीत चोरा गोपाल हे नंद नंदन गोपाल जय नवनीत चोरा गोपाल. He composed a number of tarangas and they are really very beautiful. They are used in concerts as well as dance programs. Jayadeva. Born in the Kindu Bilva village near Puri, Jayadeva belonged to the 12th century. He was an exceptional poet and his lyrical Gita Govindam was sung in many temples across the country, being an inspiration to later composers. Madhura Bhakti or Shringara Bhakti is his theme, portraying the love and passion between Radha and Krishna. Jayadeva married Padmavati, a temple dancer who was his muse. He sang and she danced about Krishna's Leelas. There is an interesting story again, a miracle, when it considers coming to Jayadeva. While composing and writing on the palm leaves, once Jayadeva felt he had gone too far when he wrote that Krishna bowed low at Radhika's very feet. How could a poet do this? Jayadeva himself was confused and confounded by his flight of fancy. How could Krishna Paramatma bow at Radha's feet? How could he say, Radha, put your feet on my head? Feeling bad at his ideas, Jayadeva left the song incomplete and went for his bath at the river. As I said earlier, those days there was water in the rivers and the saints could go and have a nice swim and they could have a holy dip, as they say. In the interim, Lord Krishna himself appeared as Jayadeva and completed the song with the words, Dehi Pada Pallava Mudaram. Dehi Pada Pallava Mudaram. He's bowing at the feet, Pada Pallavam, of Radha. On returning, Jayadeva was astonished and on seeing that the song was complete. He queried Padmavati, who was taken aback because it was actually Lord Krishna who had come there as Jayadeva, in the guise of Jayadeva. And Padmavati had even given him a prasad to eat. And after that he had written on the palm leaves. They both realized it was none other than Lord Jagannath himself, who had visited their humble home, and moved by this, Jayadeva and Padmavati continued their service to Lord Jagannath. प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले चारुशीले वदसि यति किञ्चिदपि दन्तरुचि कौमुदी वदसि यति किञ्चिदपि दन्तरुचि कौमुदी वदसि यति किञ्चिदपि दन्तरुचि कौमुदी हरतु धरति निरमति हरतु धरति निरमति स्फुरदरशीतवे तव वदन चन्द्रमा स्फुरदरशीतवे तव वदन चन्द्रमा रोचयतु लोचन चकोरम् रोचयतु लोचन चकोरम् प्रिये चारुशीले मुञ्चमयि मान मणिम्लानम् सपति मदनानलो दहति मम मानसं देहि मुख कमल मधुपानम् देहि मुख कमल मधुपानम् चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले स्मरकरलकण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनं स्मरेहि ज्वलति मयि दारुणो मदनकदनानलो हरतु तदुपासित विकारम् प्रिये चारुशीले चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले